The cosmos beckons. We dream of reaching for the stars, of colonizing new worlds, but a fundamental question lingers. Do we have the right? Is it ethical to claim other planets as our own? The universe is vast, filled with wonders yet unknown. As we venture out, we must proceed with caution and deep ethical reflection. Our actions will shape the future of humanity and our place in the cosmos. The history of our species is filled with tales of exploration and expansion. Often these journeys have come at a cost. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space exploration, we must ask ourselves, will we repeat the mistakes of our past? Or will we forge a new path, guided by wisdom and a commitment to ethical conduct? The answers to these questions will determine the fate of generations to come. The past whispers warnings. History is replete with examples of colonization, often driven by a thirst for resources, power, or a belief in cultural superiority. Time and again, these endeavors have led to conflict, exploitation, and the suffering of indigenous populations. The colonization of the Americas, Africa, and Asia serves as a stark reminder of the potential consequences of unchecked ambition. We must acknowledge these past injustices and learn from them. The mistakes of our ancestors should serve as a guide, urging us to proceed with greater awareness and sensitivity. Space exploration offers a chance for redemption, a chance to break free from the shackles of our past and create a future defined by cooperation and mutual respect. As we venture further into space, the question of ownership arises. Who has the right to claim celestial bodies? The 1967 Outer Space Treaty provides a framework, stating that space is not subject to national appropriation. However, the treaty is vague on the specifics of colonization and resource extraction. This ambiguity has led to debate and calls for more comprehensive international agreements. The discovery of potentially habitable exoplanets intensifies the urgency of this discussion. Can a nation or corporation claim an entire planet simply because they landed first? Or should we strive for a more equitable and collaborative approach to space exploration? These are not merely legal questions, but fundamental ethical dilemmas that demand careful consideration. The universe is vast and likely teeming with life. As we explore other worlds, we must be prepared for the possibility of encountering alien civilizations. These encounters could be transformative, challenging our understanding of life, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. We must approach such interactions with humility, respect, and a willingness to learn. Our own planet is home to a rich tapestry of cultures, each with its own unique perspective and values. This diversity enriches our world and provides a glimpse into the potential variety of life across the universe. We must be mindful of our own cultural biases and avoid imposing our beliefs on others. Instead, we should strive for understanding and cooperation, recognizing that each encounter with alien life is an opportunity for growth and enlightenment. Section 5. Cosmic Footprints. Treading lightly on alien worlds. The search for life beyond Earth is a driving force behind space exploration, but as we explore other planets, we must be mindful of our impact. Just as we strive to protect the fragile ecosystems of our own planet, we have a responsibility to preserve the integrity of alien environments. Contamination from Earth could irrevocably alter or even destroy extraterrestrial life. Ethical space exploration requires a commitment to minimizing our footprint. This means developing sustainable technologies, implementing strict planetary protection protocols, and approaching each new world with a sense of reverence and respect. We must remember that we are not conquerors but guests in the universe, and our actions will have lasting consequences. Section 6. The AI Frontier: Ethical Considerations in Space Exploration. As we push the boundaries of space exploration, we increasingly rely on advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics. These tools offer incredible potential for scientific discovery and resource management. However, they also raise ethical concerns about autonomy, decision-making, and the potential for unintended consequences. If we entrust AI with critical tasks in space, we must ensure that these systems are aligned with our values and operate within ethical boundaries. This requires careful programming, ongoing monitoring, and a commitment to transparency and accountability. The development and deployment of AI in space must be guided by a deep sense of responsibility and a commitment to the well-being of all life, both on Earth and beyond. Section 7. The Settler's Burden: Psychological Impact of a New World. The dream of colonizing other planets captures the imagination, but the reality of life beyond Earth would be challenging, both physically and psychologically. The isolation, confinement, and harsh conditions of space could take a toll on even the most resilient individuals. As we venture further from home, we must consider the mental and emotional well-being of those who dare to make the journey. The psychological impact of long-duration space travel and life in isolated settlements is an area that requires further research and understanding. Developing strategies for mental health support, fostering a sense of community, and creating environments that promote well-being will be crucial to the success of any colonization effort. Section 8. A cosmic mirror, reflecting on humanity's moral compass. As we stand on the brink of a new era of space exploration, we must confront a fundamental truth. Our technological prowess has outpaced our moral development. We have the ability to reach for the stars, but the question remains, are we worthy? The way we choose to explore and interact with the universe will reflect who we are as a species. Will we carry with us the greed, prejudice, and violence that have marked much of human history? Or will we embrace the opportunity to transcend our limitations and forge a new path of peace, cooperation, and shared discovery? Our future among the stars hinges on our ability to evolve not just technologically but morally and ethically as well. Section 9. From earthly disputes to interplanetary politics. As we establish a presence beyond Earth, we inevitably carry with us our earthly baggage. Political tensions, resource competition, and ideological differences could easily spill over into the realm of space exploration. The potential for conflict is real, and the consequences could be catastrophic. To avoid repeating the mistakes of our past, we must establish a new framework for interplanetary politics. This requires cooperation on a global scale, adherence to international law, and a commitment to peaceful resolution of disputes. We must recognize that we are all citizens of Earth first and foremost, and our common humanity should guide our actions in space. Section 10. Learning from our past, shaping our future in the stars. As we venture into the cosmos, the lessons of our past must serve as a guide. The history of colonization on Earth is a complex tapestry of exploration, conflict, cultural exchange, and ultimately, adaptation. We must learn from both the triumphs and the tragedies of our past to create a more just and sustainable future among the stars. This means engaging in open dialogue, fostering intercultural understanding, and prioritizing the well-being of all life, both on Earth and beyond. We must move forward with humility, recognizing that we do not have all the answers. The universe is vast and full of wonder, and our journey of exploration is just beginning. Section 11. A shared destiny among the stars. A call for unity and collaboration. Our future in space is not predetermined. It is a story yet to be written, a tapestry woven from the choices we make today. We have the power to shape our destiny, to create a future defined by cooperation, exploration, and the pursuit of knowledge. But to do so, we must embrace a new way of thinking, one that transcends national boundaries and prioritizes the well-being of all humankind. We are all connected, inhabitants of a pale blue dot, hurtling through the vastness of space. Our shared origins should remind us that we are more alike than different. We all share the same hopes, dreams, and fears. We all yearn to explore the unknown, to push the limits of our understanding, and to secure a brighter future for generations to come. The challenges of space exploration are immense, but they are not insurmountable. By working together, by embracing diversity, and by holding fast to our shared humanity, we can overcome any obstacle. The future of humanity in space is not a solitary endeavor, but a collective journey.